Hi, it's been a while since we shared a vlog with you, and that's because I've been traveling. And you'll know when you're traveling it's a little bit difficult, one, packing a bag, and two, packing especially what you need for your skin, because skincare gets confusing. Always try to keep it minimal as possible, and that allows me to bring back as much shopping as possible, so it's a win-win. So these are my essentials in my skincare kit, and I thought I'd share them with you today. So what's inside? It's a little bit messy, but this is what it looks like. And here it is, what I cannot live without. That's pretty much. That's it. I must confess, when I'm away, I hardly have time to spend on my skincare, so I keep it incredibly simple. My daytime routine is a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. The cleanser I love is EstheDerm's Osmo Clean. The reason I love it partly is because of the way it smells. It's really special. And then when you do apply, the texture is really gentle. It's going to take away surface impurities without stripping the skin. And your skin can get really sensitive while you're traveling. So this is a good cleanser, I feel, while I'm away. From there, it's my moisturizer. My moisturizer is my standard I keep all year long, and that's my EstheDerm White. And the reason I like it is it has an antioxidant in it. So that's the vitamin C for my daytime. And then it has in it some ingredients that pigment regulate, which is really important for me if I'm outdoors, if I'm sightseeing. I know my skin is being taken care of. And then, most importantly, my sunscreen. The sunscreen I love is NeoStrata Physical Sheer. It's a broad spectrum physical sunscreen. The reason I love it is it goes on with a little bit of a tint, like you can see, and then it finishes with a nice, even matte finish. And bonus point, it serves as my foundation too. So I skip a few steps, which is incredibly helpful. Then while I'm traveling, I always keep with me in my kit my Adapalene Lip Balm. And for a top up, you'll know sunscreen doesn't last the entire day. Unfortunately, I keep with me my Color Science sunscreen as well. And you'll see this is quite a nifty application. It has a little bit of a brush on it, so you don't have to worry about hands being a little bit messy when you're on the road or when you're outdoors. Just apply, as simple as that. It's clean, and it's a nice matte finish as well. I think the sign of a good day out while you're on holiday is being too exhausted to actually spend much time on your skincare in the evening. Even so, I think if you can find 2 minutes to help with your skincare, that's all you really need. So my evening skincare routine is even more simple than my daytime. Again, I'm usually a little lazy to remove my makeup in the evening, so I find Bioderma Sensitive Micellar Water is incredibly helpful in this regard, and also incredibly gentle, but still effective. It even removes my mascara incredibly efficiently. From there, a little bit of a cleanse, and then I move on to two products. One to keep my acne at bay, because nobody needs a spot while you're away, and I keep to my Epiduo, which is my maintenance care for my acne prone skin, and that's really a combination of benzoyl peroxide and retinoic acid. And as my evening serum, I love SkinCeuticals Resveratrol. Lastly, nobody likes, I think, tired eyes, and tired eyes are often a giveaway again. So what I use to help combat tired eyes or fatigue beneath the eye area is NeoStrata Intense Eye Therapy. And this product is amazing because it decreases pigmentation under the eye area, it helps with that puffiness, and it keeps fine lines away as well. And that's my evening routine, possible and achievable under 2 minutes.